welcome back. Now, one of the ways to execute direct response copywriting is to use artificial intelligence. In this case, we are going to look for a trial version of a software system called Conversion.AI. And if you go to your favorite search engine and you type in trial version, Conversion.AI, in some cases, you may be able to find a trial version. We are going to go to a website and look for a trial version. And when you go to the trial version, you can typically claim the first 10,000 words that you use with the system free. And you'll also be able to start a trial of some form. We are going to start this trial. We are going to enter the identifying information. And we're going to give the company some information. You'll then choose which trial you want to start. You'll then be ready to start using the trial version. In most cases, you will be either writing copy for a website or for an e-commerce scenario. And what you'll see here are most of the elements that you will want to write for your direct response copy. And so you can use the software program to use each step in the process. For example, assuming that you need to write persuasive bullet points. You'll then write in your product name. You'll then choose the tone that you want, and the software program gives you several. You can check to see them here in this area. You'll then click Create AI Content. And what you'll see is that the more information that you give Conversion.AI, the more you'll be able to produce in specific output. We are going to go back to other templates. And this time what we're going to write are unique value propositions. Conversion.AI requires you or asks you to write 600 words on the benefit of the product. You'll then write in your tone of voice. You'll then generate AI content. Conversion.AI boils down your information into succinct communication. And so this is one way that you can use to execute direct response copywriting. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.